So Tim, a lot of times we're talking about people who have a lot of equity in their homes.
Right.
Or maybe they want to, even at retirement, move somewhere and upsize their home.
Right.
You were telling me about an example of a client that you had. Can you fill me in a little bit more on that?
Yeah, sure. As you know, Andy, it's really hard to you can't really downsize in Denver right now based on the market.
So in a lot of places, right?
Frankly, in a lot of places, you're right.
Yeah,
Denver being, at near the top of the list.
Sure.
So in this recent loan that I just closed, Andy, I had a couple who sold a home and they netted $500,000.
Okay.
They wanted to move across town into in a nicer neighborhood to be closer to their daughter and their only granddaughter.
Which makes sense.
Right?
Yeah,
The issue was that to buy a home was going to cost them about $800,000 in that neighborhood.
Okay.
So historically, that would have been an issue, right?
Sure.
They're in their retirement years. They don't want to take on more added debt, etc.
And I don't want people to have more cash flow going out every time.
Right.
That's not good.
This is what you're paid to help them with.
Correct.
Yes. So through the use of a reverse mortgage, which is again a great financial planning tool, they were able to buy a $800,000 home. They put $400,000 down.
Yep.
They financed the other $400,000 in a reverse mortgage with no monthly mortgage payment. And then my math tells me they still had $100,000 left over.
Well, that's a pretty good deal, right?
It was pretty awesome.
Well, good.
They were tickled that we were able to get them into a nicer home,
right,
with no monthly mortgage payment, and actually put a little bit of money in
their
investment
pocket.
for them.
You know what? And that's a good thing. It's always good to be closer to family if you can, and be in a house that you want to be in for your retirement years. So, thanks for that information.
You bet.
Appreciate it.